Welcome, here I've got Lenovo K6 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on the settings bar from the right. We are in photo category. Let's move to this button, to the general one. Here at the second position we have snap sound option, so let's pick it to decide to turn it on or turn it off. So let me keep it turned off now, and when we take another picture we can't hear the sound. Of course, when we tap to the left corner button once again to this general category and the snap sound, we can turn it on to hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.